Hi YouTube, it's me, April. Sorry my video is like this. I'm driving. I'm on my way to a dentist appointment to get all my wisdom teeth removed, all 4 of them. So I know I'm going to be in pain and I probably won't be able to talk later. So I wanted to do my video really quick right now. Unfortunately, I haven't had time to figure out how much weight I've lost this week, but my weight is 173.4, which means I'm no longer overweight. Yay, April. My BMI is now normal, or healthy, or whatever. So yeah, I'm not overweight anymore. I also have, I'm not sure how much, about 10 pounds or more till goal. I'm not exactly sure. I think I want to be 155 or 150 something. But anyway, I'm really excited. I'm no longer overweight. I didn't make my video on Christmas because Mother Nature gave me a gift Christmas morning, which is not funny, but so I got my period on Christmas. So I didn't weigh myself because I knew that I would probably be upset. However, during my period, well, I still have it, which is crazy because I still lost weight. But during my my size 8 jeans still fit me. So the sun is blinding me. I hope this video turns out because I'm not gonna be able to make another one. I'm late. And yeah, 173.4. I'm excited. So when I get home, I'll fix the information and tell you how much weight that was this week. Okay? Have a good week. Bye.